If everyone could listen up to me for like 1 second. Some of you are not leaving on the 3rd. Some of you are leaving on the 2nd or the 29th or whatever date you're going. I know not everyone has flights back yet. You've all got Georgiana's number it's in the group. Or me directly. Any flight you need home, any day, any time, tell me or message Georgiana. I'll book the flight. I'll get you guys a little boat to take you to the shore and a taxi to take you to the airport and everything. So I don't know when everyone's leaving. Just tell me when. But let me know one day before. Don't wake up in the morning and say I want to leave today, because that's going to be a fucked up situation. But anytime you want to go, just tell me. I'll book everyone's flight, and Georgiana will do that as well. If I'm too drunk, just message her. Cool?
Okay.
All right.
Let's get it. Hop off a 16 passenger. This a G5, no, this not a Challenger. Big one. I keep some members with me in the fridge. Get coat seats, they some cannibals. Eaters. They like to geek. Drink a whole bottle, wake up and repeat. Damn. She took a look, mixed it with the chill out. Now she say she saying 3D. Wow. I go in the jungle and they got a coat. I bet I come out with a mean. I bet I do this shit for the fam, cause this shit bigger than me. Big. Color stones in my infinity lane. And in the factory masterpiece. I call him twin, could that be my brother? We got the same roller, he matching me. Nah, for real.
Water on me like the sun, some carrots, some pointers. All these commas, I won't fumble. Me go gunners out the jungle. Buy it all, fuck a fronter. Fuck nigga, cake on me, no funnel. Cash, drop top feeling like stunner. Drop top, can't play no run.
The amount of time they put in to look beautiful and to sit opposite the table for you, making you look good, they are paying. They're bringing their value in their own way. And I'm going to ask her for fucking money for a glass of champagne. It's ridiculous.
Thank you for understanding.
It's true. I feel very passionately about this.
AKBZ, you fired up. Yeah, nowadays I get what I want. Lately been spinning a bag, addicted to getting that cash, addicted to popping them tags. Money was made for the sad, now my ex bitch calling back. Saw me come up out the random, didn't wait long, now that bitch throwing tantrum. Her friends fell in love when I fell into fame. In my DMs talking about it.
Gentlemen, listen. They banned me from Instagram. So yeah, I want everyone to get their phones out. We're gonna do an Instagram story. We're all gonna shout "fuck Instagram" and do an Instagram story at the same time. So everyone get an Instagram story. Get your Instagram. Everyone record video, yeah? Ready? Get your Instagram ready. Ready? On 3, 2, 1, fuck Instagram. Ready? 3, 2, 1, fuck Instagram! Fuck Instagram. I'm on Rumble now, guys. So if you don't have the app, if you can't get the app, go to rumble.com, find me on there. All my other social medias will be listed on there. Come find me on Rumble. Also, I'll be in Croatia for a week. So follow me on Rumble, and I'll put on Rumble where we're gonna be, and if I party in any places, I'll let you guys know. Cool? And fuck Instagram. Cheers, gentlemen. Fuck Instagram.
I eat the hate up and spit it right back. My lyrics like bullets, I'm shooting your ass. Women come and go with the cash. You gon' learn that shit fast. They gon' fold them to ass. I get my medicine straight out the bag. I'm a prospect, not from Earth. I feel like a Martian. Matter of fact, bitch, I came from a starship. My bed feel like a coffin. Not waking up. If I run into ops, I'm off. I don't know if you think that you stopping what I got going on. Gotta send me with auto on. This ain't no autocorrect. Bitch is a threat. Now I'm coming at your neck. Niggas act cute like a pet. Sound like a Pop-Tart. Act like they got no heart. Y'all be the ones that's pretending. Insecurities, they always offended. Mad about a bitch, I already been it. That bitch for everybody, we ain't spoken a minute. Niggas still in the picture, and I'm still leaving with it. It ain't nothing, I'm a rap. I ain't falling back, no. She need more, she got too attached. Addicted to me like I'm on one. 3,000 for that new red coin. Walk around look like a mummy. Psychedelics on my tummy. Swipe, I'ma get it all.
If this one is off, you just press this one here.
Can Andrew's cousin please report to deck 1? Andrew's cousin.
Tristan, apparently he's not feeling too well. Maybe you should let him rest in his room.
Should we attack him? I mean, what's the plan? Attack Luke?
Andrew's cousin, the meeting is waiting on you. Andrew's cousin. Deck 1.
I've got a good voice for this shit. I can do this.
I can do this.
I'm quitting all my millionaire businesses. I'm becoming a professional announcer.
Can customer number 1 please report to the checking counter?
I can do this easy.
You found your calling,
It's
bro.
not business. It's not money. It's not kickboxing.
Andrew's cousin, hurry the fuck up, nerd.
So this is our spot for the evening. It's our own bay, and we can swim as well soon if we want.
We can swim. We can jet ski. We can chill. We can.
I'm gonna jump off the roof until they tell me not to.
I'm gonna jump in the ocean for 1 second before I get back out because there are monsters in the ocean.
We're still waiting for Luke.
Yeah.
Who? Your cousin? Yeah.
Hello, everyone. I'm going to take the floor. You should know who I am. I'll introduce myself anyway.
His name is Luke's cousin.
My name's Luke's cousin. I'm the most famous misogynist on the internet. Everyone hates me. Congratulations, and you're very brave to have come on the boat. I don't know if you've seen the crap they've been talking about me in the last few days, but supposedly I'm evil. This boat is a very well-known yacht, and the crew are amazing people, and they're very talented. It's really important that all of us, you've all been amazing so far, but I just want to say that we're all very polite to the crew all the time. They are here. They work very, very hard. We can't just be like, bring me this, bring me that. Please, thank you, that kind of stuff, because they're hardworking, and it's our reputation that matters. We don't want to be... You'll notice with me and Tristan and Jewel especially, we're extremely polite to people who work very hard, and we want everyone around us to do the same thing. That's the first thing. It's really important. Second thing is, anything that happens on the yacht stays on the yacht. So don't be putting up stories in real time. Oh my God, I'm on this boat. You won't believe this bitch, this fucking bitch. nothing crazy like this.
No drama policy.
No drama, if possible. Like, tagging some girl on the other side of the boat. When I see this bitch, she's dead. If at any point you want to leave, you decided you've had enough and you want to go or you want to leave, it's no problem. You can come to us and just say, fuck these guys, I want to go. We can have a water taxi here in 20 minutes, take you in the water taxi, take you to the airport, you can leave anytime you want. So you're not trapped, you're not enclosed, you're very free to leave anytime you like.
So just if you need to leave, any kind of emergency, you don't want to be here anymore, you gotta go tomorrow, just let Georgiana know, your flights will be booked, it's all good.
I believe the price of this yacht is like $80 million, and we'd like to come back again. We know the people who own it, we know the company, so let's have fun, but please, let's try not to break glasses. Let's try not to get too drunk and vomit on carpets. We want to use this yacht again, you know. So let's treat everyone with respect.
No promises, Joel.
And let's treat it as if it's our own, because ideally this becomes a regular thing. That's the intent here.
Yeah, so we want to have fun. We don't want anyone crying and screaming and being a drama queen or any dumb shit. Just have fun.
Queen. Looking at you, behave yourself.
I didn't spend $800,000 for some girl to get drunk and go, you know what, this bitch looked at me today. Fuck off. Because I'll throw you over the board myself.
And then book you a flight home. Throw you overboard, and you can wait for the water taxi on the
See
beach.
ya.
It's fine.
But all in all, we should have a really fun time. It's going to be good. We've got jet skis. Like, there's lots of swimming. The water is quite warm. It's not that cold. We're going to amazing places all around Croatia. Should be lots of fun. If you're on this boat or anyone knows you're here with me or you tag my brother or whatever, you might get a message from some weird fake account. Be careful.
He's gonna kidnap you.
They're killers.
Watch out for that. I think you could tell that myself, Jewel, my brother, we're absolute gentlemen. We always will be. And that's how we're going to behave. So,
Yeah.
I mean,
So
don't worry about these crazy messages.
Yeah.
Don't get scared and jump overboard and go swimming into the night
Please
because
don't.
someone says we're crazy. You know us in
Especially
real
me, because they deleted me from the whole internet for this bullshit. Like a week ago. I don't know if anyone's been following it. They deleted me from everything. So it's really crazy, the stories they make up and the way they purport it. So there's a lot of people out there who believe bullshit, and they might send you a news article saying I'm a killer or whatever. 90% of the people love us, but there's always the 10% of idiots who believe the lies.
Nobody came here to shout bullshit at the boat.
Exactly. And when I was in Bulgaria, I went out with younger guys than me, and what I find out is that they're like so mature. They were treating the girls really well, and I found out that they're following you, and I was like, okay, that makes sense.
Old school values.
Traditional
whatever
values.
you do,
Traditional
it has
values.
impact.
I'm just telling you because I imagine you coming on this trip and then 3 days in you get a message from some fake
He's
account.
gonna kidnap you.
He's a kidnapper, and you might go, oh, and panic.
Kidnap me on a yacht any day,
I know,
man.
right?
Come on.
What do you mean? You are kidnapped.
I would be more scared in
You can kidnap me if I don't have to pay for all this shit. You can kidnap me any
Yeah.
day. Kidnap
I'll
me.
stay here.
I'll stay. Because on YouTube, if you say men can't get pregnant, they ban you.
No. On YouTube, men cannot get pregnant. Will ban you.
Yep.
Because
They'll ban
men
you.
can get pregnant because you can be a girl, but you can
Trans
identify as a
men.
man and you can get pregnant. and-
yeah.
That's
So-
so YouTube's going crazy.
So it's crazy there. So Rumble
But-
is free speech.
Yeah, Rumble, you could say men can get pregnant and men can't. Rumble allows both sides of every argument.
Yeah.
They're not biased. They let people talk. So I like this. All right,
So we-
dinner's at 9 o'clock. After we eat, we fucking drink. So rest up until dinner.
Cheers, everybody. Cheers.
Eastern
Cheers,
blood,
everyone.
Cheers. Appreciate it, guys.
So Jewel, you fucking loser. When I said to you the other day,
Easy now, big boy.
I forgot the smokes, can you get them? And you're like, yeah, don't worry. You believe that I forgot the smokes? Do you not know who I am?
Sue me for trying to help, man. Fuck you now.
I
Come
will
on.
condemn you for life for assuming I would forget the smoke. So of course I got some beautiful H. Upman 54s, 25 pieces, and these are about as good as cigars get. These are top of the range, top quality Cubans from the oldest cigar brand in Cuba.
How much is in this
H. Upman
box?
54s, not, well, 25 pieces. Those are only about 50 or 60 euros a piece. So we're talking 1,200, 1,300 euros. Then I got the Hoyo de Monterrey Habana.
Sounds
Hear
very
me out.
sounds very Cuban.
Grand Reserve 2013.
Jesus.
These, my friend, you have in this box, I believe 15 pieces. These are over $200 a piece.
Jesus, man.
$3,000 right here.
Oh,
Take it out. Mmm.
oh, man, it feels like you'd eat that.
That's
It
as
smells so
that's as good. This is as good as cigars get. If you were a brokey, because I also
good.
got
There's fucking more.
this box. Cost me 5,500 euros.
Ah.
It contains 8 cigars.
What?
So when we really want to have the special evenings, ignore those little white spots on them. They're all good. We have the Romeo and Julieta 2020 special editions. These are the most expensive cigars I have on the trip.
Well, bruv, I gotta say one thing.
You are a loser for
No, not at all. That was no. I'm very glad I didn't pick up the cigars for this trip.
Well, it only cost me fucking 10 grand. What's the problem? So I'm gonna put these all behind the bar with the cutter and the lighter.
I don't know. Maybe we should put them in the safe, bro.
Yeah. Now you know what though? Cigars are one of those weird things. It's like tailored clothing. No one would steal these. They're not worth much to anyone. No one knows what they are.
Doesn't know. Yeah,
No one
I
knows. If
feel
you
that.
know, they're worth the money. So as long as your videos are good, you can have one of these as well. But, I'm gonna put these behind the bar.
Non-financial recognition, bro. There you go. You get one of these expensive cigars. Even beaches. How about that?
Is that what you were gonna say? Were you gonna do that?
It wasn't, but I dreaded.
All right, I have to admit, I just smashed water.
I know you did. Alright. You think I don't count your drinks? Oh, you tricked me! Who the fuck do you think you're talking to?
Fair, that is actually fair.
I'm not a London fan, but for shopping, it can't be beaten.
It cannot be beaten. Nowhere in the world, man. Nowhere. Not Milan, not New York, nowhere.
Even my Armani stuff, I know it's not
Shopping
custom
in
to you guys,
London.
but even my
London is
Armani is still
bullshit
tailored.
for many reasons.
I buy at 10 a.m.
Dangerous,
by 4
bad,
p.m.
poor.
tailored to the hotel.
Amazing. Amazing.
Everything's tailored in. All of it.
But yeah, London's where it's at for
You
clothes.
got Armani anywhere else in the world, they don't tailor it. You're in this wild shit. My stuff looks good on me. I know it's a different style, but it fits nice, cashmere, it looks good.
Let's face it, man. London wins on tailoring, knife crime, and ugly women.
That's right.
I mean,
But I fucking love tailoring. And I fucking love ugly women.
The size of jet we normally fly on, you know the 9-person jets? I fly them by myself. That's my biggest flex. And every single time the air stewardess says, why do you get such a big plane by yourself? And I say, the small ones, they bounce too much, don't like it. And she's like, really? I'm like, yeah, this one, it's big enough. It doesn't bounce so much. She goes, yeah, but it's for 10 people. I'm like, it's fine. For me, by myself, Americano, please. I don't drink, just a coffee. I read the newspaper. Very relaxed, very chilled, civilized.
Right, that is a very real flex. But I put it to you, there's a bigger flex now, and that is called breaking the fucking matrix, mate. Destroying the monopoly that big tech has.
Sorry.
That's the flex now, mate.
Big tech. I didn't want to destroy you. You should have kept me as controlled opposition. I would have been on your side. I would have created my message. I would have done whatever you needed me to do to allow me to exist on your platform so you could satisfy whatever shareholders you have down in Cuckland. But you started a fight with the most formidable man on the planet. My unmatched perspicacity, coupled with sheer indefatigability, makes me a feared opponent in any realm of human endeavor. And I will crack the Matrix. I will destroy tech monopolies. That's who I am. It's too fucking late. You're fucked with the wrong guy. And by the way, for the record, I would never kill myself. Let's fucking go. Fuck you. Yeehaw! Give a shit.
I'll drink to that, even though I don't want to drink anymore.
Ladies, we're cheersing to the future of social media, rumble.com.
Cheers to Rumble!
One more. I'm gonna do one more cheers. We are on one of the most expensive yachts in the Mediterranean. Do whatever the fuck we want for a solid week. If that's not worth a cheers, I don't know what is. We're the kings and queens of the ocean. So let's give that a cheers, everybody.
Life is good.
Life is good.
So far, so good.
So far, so good. Cheers. Cheers. I have 30 cars, but I have 2 or 3 I really love. It's the way it is. If the 765 will start, I have to drive her.
If it starts.
But I will still stand by after all my cars. The A12's the best. Bro, maybe on the Bentley's road, I got away from you in the Evo. Second, it was a straight, you caught me. And those are the Bentley's roads in Europe. Like, what's the point?
Having said that, though, I almost fucking killed myself and 20 other people trying to chase you in the A12.
Guys, and Joel,
765.
I love you both. If you want every pussy drive, we could continue this and I'll join in. Would you like me to join in? Well, you know, the Aston has a naturally aspirated, but what the what's wrong with you? Talk about sexy shit. What's wrong with you?
Everyone, give me your glass. We do another one to Tristan's virginity. Give me one more.
All right.
My brother's a virgin. Let's go.
Yeah, wow, wow, wow. I'm too sexy for this syrup, too sexy for your girl, too sexy for this world, too sexy for this ice, too sexy for that jack. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah.
He's not drinking as much as he should be. Oh, you better fucking drink, bro. Get it in ya.
No. He wants to sip it.
All right, look, like normal people.
Guys,
Look.
no. I'm gonna have one sip of 2. Let's have a sip. Top G, top striker, you don't know about me. You don't know. Top G, top striker, you don't know about me. Fuck you, Daxo. Drink your fucking drink, you cunt. Drink.
We're all vanilla losers.
I need water. Let me have some water.
Fuck off!
I just fuck you then, motherfucker.
Oh, I'm canceled! I'm so canceled! Give a fuck. Don't give a fuck.
I'm done with the booth. We've got some quiet. I'm the Premier Yacht Driver. I'm having fun, but I'm also serious, man. Like,
We're the most Premier yachts in the world. We're the most Premier yachts in the world. You can't not booze. We need booze, though. We need some like booze, Aikido. How you know Aikido without booze?
I mean, look, he can agree. The booze is not necessary. It's not.
It
we
is
don't need
necessary.
to drink like fucking animals. Okay, let me say this is a nice tasting drink. We don't need to neck it.
We do.
We can
neck it all. Tell Luke he's a pussy. Drink all the booze. This is how we go. Take off an intro. We'll drink it.
Bruv, I'm a fucking responsible individual. I have normal work to do. I can't drink like this all the time.
Why not?
It's fucking insanity, bro.
You go fuck yourself. You better drink it up. Drink it up. Whoa! Welcome to the real world. Welcome to the real world.
Drink your own. Welcome to the fucking real world, you cunt. You fucking cunt. I got my fucking phone in my pocket, you dickhead. Fuck off. Fuck your phone. Nerd. Fucking animal. Not necessary.
I'm too strong. You're not gonna pull that off. You're not gonna pull that off.
Alright, you owe me a new phone, motherfucker. What the fuck?
Oh yeah! What's that gonna cost me, money? I've got money, you fucking nerd! You better fucking step up!
It's not about the money. You're backing on my apps, man.
I don't give a fuck!
Fuck you, I ain't doing that shit.
Woo!
Woo! Where's the booze?
Booze.
Jewel disappeared, and now Tristan's disappeared to go find him. Tristan was Terminator, going through this entire boat, clearing the rooms, looking for Jewel in real time.
Hey baby, can I come in? You can't say no to a beautiful woman.
Close the doors, cunt.
Buckle the fuck up. We're about to get rich. Right here, Hustlers University. The only educational platform on the planet that will teach you how to make money today.
It may be impossible to not make money. Being part of a community of students. We all help each other. We're all in there for one thing, and that's to make money.
It's what allowed me to quit my job.
It's pure freedom. It's great.
Batteries released on every target you got now.
Then we have a deal.
Yes, that's a yeah.
Target acquired.
Controversial influencer Andrew Tate has been banned from Facebook and Instagram.
Oh, you can get rich too. He's lying when he offers you that.
Fucking pyramid scheme, bro. This attack is an act of desperation.
Target remains. I repeat, target remains.
Despite the endless attacks, the banking cartel, the payment processors, we remain larger than ever before. And it doesn't matter what the Matrix tries to do to shut us down, it's not going to work, because the Matrix has cracked.
Welcome to the real world.
We have a completely custom platform. Nothing is Matrix owned. Completely custom software, completely custom banking. We teach things that you can't learn anywhere else. We teach it all for $49 a month with lessons which are updated every single morning at 8 a.m. Cutting edge, to the minute.
Within the first 90 days of joining, I made like over $12,000.
and I also make over 10K. This is the best program to start a side hustle and get out of the 9 to 5.
All of the knowledge from the professors and Andrew himself, I mean, it's incredible. It really is.
I would expect this kind of course to come from a university. It's the best material that you're going to find.
A wealth of knowledge that will not only last you your entire life, but make you level up as a person.
You literally have like millionaires telling you what to do. So I just followed exactly what I had to do, and it just snowballed.
I was able to make $17,000 this month. I've made roughly 25K.
I don't work a job anymore. I work for myself. If you want to escape the 9 to 5, there is no better place to be than the real world.